There is a rice cooker. This is menu for introduce how to use it. This is steamer rack stand. Rice measuring cup. Thin plastic rice paddle. Power cord. And the last one is inner cooking pot. I put this right, and I put these eggs. Now we power on it. There are 12 presets for cooking. Now I check menu for cook. That's inside. Now I want to use grain. And then we start to cook. That is so easy for use.